I'm Nicole Scott for Netbook News, and here we've got the ExoPC, or the WeTab hardware, running the new MeeGo UI. So you can see it's kind of based on the panel concept, which gives us infinite directions left and right and up and down. And actually, can we check out the keyboard on there? Because actually, I was really excited in the previous demo when you actually showed me that it's got my favorite touchscreen keyboard on there. I was a little excited because I'm actually addicted to swipe. So you can actually see that they have the swipe keyboard running.
Okay, so let's see how good I am at swipe. B L A Z E R S E D G E. Belgrade. Well, that's not actually what I was trying to do, but it'll work for growing up.
There we go.
If you want to hide this particular panel, you can do that.
Okay.
Right.
What panel options have you got then?
Well, it depends on the panel. So here we've got, managing the playlists. You can clear the history. So it's configuration, right?
Yeah.
So we're trying to put the options as close to the objects as possible, right? And then there is a central My Tablet. So here's your top application. So central settings. So again, you can hide the stuff you don't care about. So here I'll hide this one. Browser is derived from Chromium. And that sounds good. So you see the context menu, press and hold on the link. I have a bunch of different options for So
even Google search, that's nice.
So it's it's a pretty simple concept, and we try to apply it as consistently as possible across as many object types as possible. Right? And we just think that's as a navigation metaphor, it's pretty powerful without being particularly complicated.
In terms of panels and active panels, are these panels active or are they just static?
No, like if you're getting email or tweets, those are gonna.
So I can create a panel with weather.
Yes. Right.
So these are really widgets in their own right, really. Yeah?
Well,
active widgets.
We don't think of them as widgets. Because a widget usually is dealing with a single data type, and the panels are actually aggregations of potentially different kinds of objects, right? This is something we started in Moblin with a social networking integration, where you have the different social networks all integrating into a single friends thing. So whereas a widget tends to be more like an active application, it's coming from kind of a single vendor, if you will.
But a widget does allow a user to create their own screens, whereas it looks like this is not allowing the user a lot of options. Only if third parties provide new panels, right?
Right. We're not providing at this point a do-it-yourself create panel kit
For the end users.
For end users, could an OEM do that if they wanted to, or an OSV? Yes. Again, it's kind of like, all right, are you building something where you're going to let somebody I think of that as more as a desktop metaphor. That's right. I mean, I have a widget desktop on my Mac. I press a key and then I can drag and customize with lots of widgets, and it's very, 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 very interesting. I don't actually happen to use it.
Okay. Can you share from panels? Can I, for example, right-click and use the MeeGo sharing
Yeah. So, for example,
subsystem?
right.
Okay, but it's from within the app itself, the sharing. So you can't. Okay.
Right.
And this supports pinch to zoom? Or...
We haven't implemented pinch to zoom yet.
Not yet. Okay.
This hardware is actually
Is
two finger.
Yeah.
So let's quickly talk about the apps that you'll be delivering with as part of this UI experience. We've got a browser, we've got an email client,
Right. We've got calendar,
a
music player, video. Right.
Yeah. Is there you haven't modified an Office suite at all for this
No, but
experience?
something like that's very interesting to us.